So good morning to all of you. Today we are going to do some of the images, tags, attributes which were left. So I'll start from the image tag. We had already done image tag. I've inserted it and saved it. Just refresh it and see the image has been inserted. Okay, and just keep in mind that like when we write the text, it comes just one after another. Same way the image gets inserted after this text. And if I start another text just after the image, it will get started. How? Just after this, if you will write anything, online class. So once the image is inserted, it will come just after the image. So that's why we say that images are inlined with the text. Can you see this? So if this space after class you want to leave some space, I want vertically it to be towards means to the upper side. So the upper side can be adjusted with the help of V space and the horizontal space can be adjusted with the help of H space. How it can be done? Just see here. Give the value H space equals to suppose 20. Within quotes we'll give this, and here V space equals to 20. Now see the impact. Just see. The space has increased. If you want to decrease the size of the image, I had told what was that? Height and width. Height equals to suppose 100 and same way width equals to 100. Okay, now you can see the space. If you want to increase this horizontal space more, there where H space is there, suppose I'm making it 30. Now you can see the change there. Okay, so more space is allotted. Next is what is border. If you want the border around the image, then you can use border attribute. Simply write here border equals to any pixel, suppose 2 I want. Now file, save, refresh. Can you see the border around? So same way, even border color can be given, which is not given in your book. Okay, next is use map. See, whenever we talk about internet and web pages, net surfing and all, when you use a computer to download the web pages, your computer is client and the system from where the data is coming to your computer will be known as server. Okay, so there is an attribute of image tag that is use map. So it is basically used to specify an image as a client side image map. Clear? We are not going to use it. Next is Marquee tag. Marquee tag is used to scroll a text on the screen. So by default, the text goes from the direction of the text which gets scrolled. It comes from right hand side towards left. Okay. So many attributes are there of Marquee text which can be controlled, adjusted. Let's see how. So let's start with Marquee tag. After this, I want to write a text which will scroll. So I'll use MARQUE, Marquee, any line which you want to scroll. Suppose it is hello class 7. So I am writing here hello class 7 and then closing. Marquee is a container tag. You have to close it. Now save it and refresh your page. You can see from this side it will come. Okay, now the speed can also be controlled with the help of scroll amount. This is known as scrolling. If you want to control that, you just write in the opening tag here scroll amount. Highest speed is scroll amount speed is 7. Okay, and 1 to 7 it can be given, and scroll amount is a single word. So don't leave space in between. Suppose I'm giving it 6. So accordingly, you will see the speed will get changed. Can you see this? Okay. Next is direction. If you want to change the direction, in that case the attribute is direction only. Let's change it. Write their direction. Right now it is coming from right to left, so direction is left. And if you want to change it towards direction is, sorry, right. Okay, it is coming from right hand side. If you want it to appear from left hand side, what you have to do, right direction equals to left. File, save, refresh. It will come. Why it's not coming? Spelling of direction was correct. Oh, right to left, na? I was mistaken. Now right. It will come from this. Okay, next is width. Width means now the area which is used for scrolling the text is the entire window. I want a specific area, like from this to this only. So in that case, you can specify the width. And another one is BG color. Now the background where it is scrolling, it is blank, means it is of same background white color only. If you want to change that, you just give there BG color. BG color, suppose I am giving it yellow. So I'll write there yellow and we'll save it. Just see, it will come yellow. You want to decrease this whole slider, then width is the attribute. Right there, width. I want half of, suppose it is 1000, so make it 500. Now see the impact. Okay. Next is, if you want the scrolling behavior to be changed, then we have the attribute behavior. One by one, just see the change. Once it is getting completed in this one, that is the default one, it means all the text is getting completed, then it starts from that side. Now let's try another attributes like behavior. We'll write behavior. Behavior equals to scroll. So in this, what will happen? It moves the object from one side to another side completely. So hello class. So H will also be completely hidden and then only it will start again. So that was the default one. Up to H it will get completed first. And then it will start from there. Next one is your slide. So here give the value slide and see the change. If it is supported by this browser, then it will show, otherwise same impact will be there. Oh, can you see it is stopped there in slide 1. But in scroll 1, once the entire text was hidden, then it was getting started again. Last one is alternate. Let's try that also. Behavior, make it alternate. What will be the impact? It would bounce the text back and forth between the marquee width to make the object visible all the time. Very interesting one. Alternate. Spelling should be correct, otherwise you cannot see the impact. The change will not be reflected. Let's see. Both the sides. It will not be hidden completely. Can you see? The moment it is touching the right corner, it is moving towards left. Now again that side. Okay. Like pendulum. Next is scroll amount, already told. So these all tags of Marquee and all you will have to complete. I think this is the periodic test chapter which will come. Now it is completed. Do practice it. Exercises were already posted. Do complete your copies as well. So thank you and have a nice day.